Most coaches, online entrepreneurs, and creators spend 3 to 6 months before launching a new product. And I'm being very optimistic here, but what if you could do it in less than a week or even an hour? The biggest problem that most of us are dealing with is actually execution. That is the bottleneck, not strategy. So most of the time, you know exactly what to do, but you don't know how to do it, and you lack time and planification in your execution. While preparing a launch, there is many elements that you have to take into account. First, the offer in itself, how you're gonna offer this course, that template, that, coaching session, whatever format you choose to deal with, but also how are you going to promote it to people? Not only that, now you need tools, you need a system to make sure that people are able to see it consistently. So you will need a sales page, a checkout page, just so people can go through your website or your page, discover that offer, and click on the buy button. But as simple as it may sound, all of those steps took sometimes months and months before you're ready to launch and to promote that offer. And most of the time, you don't struggle with the idea. You can go back and forth with, is this the right offer? Should I actually, structure it in this way or that way? Most of the time is everything that comes around that takes more time. It's the implementation, it's creating the sales page, it's going into the tech side of all of those things to get that offer up and running. But what if I tell you that for one of those things, I have a solution for you? Yeah, a template for your sales page. That is actually what you need, even if your offer is not done yet. But most of you guys, what are you doing is that you're spending months and months, if it's not years, trying to refine an idea that you don't even know if people are gonna buy. So really what you should start with is a sales page. If there is a demand and you have the idea, please put your offer out there. Do not wait months and years before we can see your offer shine and before you can help and serve people that actually really need you. Instead of spending hours trying to figure out a new software tool to actually build your sales page for your offer, what if you could have a template that is built strategically with buyer psychology elements and copy structure to actually help you know exactly what to say in each sections? Well, they do exist, and let me present them to you. So I do have templates that are available inside the Shalo shop. So in case you don't know, the Shalo shop is my shop. It's the shop that I've created for you guys who are entrepreneurs, creators, marketers. Some of them are built on Showit, and this is the one that I want to present to you in this video. So the first template is called Mousse, and it's inspired by the color Pantone of the year, which is Mocha Mousse. And it's suitable for coaches, consultants, and course sellers. So obviously, to be able to use those pages, you will have to have a Showit account. You can actually try Showit for free. All links will be down below if ever you want to just try and see how it works, what the backend looks like. It's a very easy platform to use. And if you already have like any email software or payment software for your checkout, all you have to do is to add the code to the button section or any section where you would want a call to action. So the second template, Ariet, is also suitable for consultant coaches and course sellers. This one is built in a way that whether you are selling a service or digital product like a course or a program, you will have sections dedicated to that. All you will have to do is to actually hide the sections that are not suitable for your offer. So let's say the sections about modules, if it's not a digital product, you can just hide it in a few clicks. The last one, Addison, is at the moment that I'm filming the video not available yet, but will be out very soon because I am actually working on adding a few more pages and sections to this template. Actually, every sales page comes with other pages. It's a well thought flowing funnel system, so it doesn't come as a one page only. It comes with other pages. You will also have the thank you page, waiting list, landing page, opt-in page that comes with it. So all you will have to do is to actually check out the page dedicated to the product to see what's included with it. So it's not just one page, it's multiple pages that comes with it. I will have others coming very soon that are built in Kartra and maybe even other software tools. I want to give you actually the largest possibility from the softwares that really I think are the most versatile to help you boost your offer and sell faster. So if you want to get your hands into those templates, there is a Black Friday offer running at the moment. So make sure that you catch it. Very soon I will show you how you can use them to customize them from A to Z. Every element is very easy to change, whether it's text, images, or even effects. You really can customize them as much as you can. There is almost no limits to them. This is why I really love Showit. My own website actually is built on Showit. If you want to catch some sales, you can connect it to Shopify. You can connect it to Kajabi. You can connect it to Kartra. You can connect it to so many others that actually exist out there. In a click of a button, people don't even see the difference between when they went from your sales page to your checkout page. And it's really smooth, really good. You can actually add or remove some of those sections. Let's say there is a section you don't need. You can completely remove it from the sales page, or you can add more, duplicate a sales page if you need more space, and let's get that up and running for your offer. So those are done for you templates that are made to being inserted into your funnel. And no matter what platform that you use, it can be easily connected to your Showit sales page. So if you're actually planning on launching a new offer, maybe in a few weeks or in a few months or for next year, that is your chance to grab an amazing modern design sales page. They're here to help you with the execution side of it all. If you want to spend more time, just figure things out by yourself and just spend hours understanding sales pages, email marketing, all of those things that are supposed to be a part of this big puzzle that is your business, your sales funnel, you can do it. Otherwise, you can fast track your result with the Shello Shop template. If you want to know how you can customize one of those templates, make sure that you watch this video next. And if you want to know what are the sections that are super important for you to include into your sales page, make sure to watch this video next. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye.